buddy, and we're gonna make some. What is it called again?
Slime.
Slime.
We just finished making mine.
Yes.
So now we're gonna make Sean's. So we.
Yes.
Elmer's all
You
natural
said me
glue.
one time. Okay, so you're not. Yeah, I'll do. I'll do it because it's my channel.
We're running.
Glue. Never mind, I did glue.
Just keep spraying until we're out. Yeah, take that out. No, just keep dumping it. Imagine if we put barbecue sauce in there.
That would be weird. Is that good? I think. Is that good?
I think.
All right. Do we have our glue?
I think we might need a little bit more, but I think that's good.
Yeah.
Alright, so now.
Now. We have.
Not yet. That's not yet. Now we need to do something with
Nice. Ooh, nice. What am I doing with my life? I got it over his phone. We have oranges.
Alright.
Fresh oranges.
What if we put that in there?
Ah.
Alright, soda, baking soda.
Baking soda. I got it.
Wait, first let's put some water in.
Water.
Give me the water.
Water. No, we gotta get a vinegar for the baking soda. I'm just kidding. Wait, we're not gonna show you like what the slime is actually like, but like we'll show you after. All right, that's good. Okay, shut up, YouTube.
Now put the
Okay.
baking soda in there.
How much is that good?
No, keep going. A little bit more. That's good.
All right, now I gotta get a spoon.
I got it.
I'm gonna make like a small one.
Yeah, yours is gonna be small.
Yeah. Cause you used all of it. Well, actually no. We'll show you what it is. Hi, just kidding. We're not gonna show you.
Don't drop out on the floor.
Ah, baking soda. Come on. Try to make sure baking soda. The baking soda, like okay. That must be good, right?
I think. Then I think it's spray starch. Just keep stirring it. No, not yet.
Alright. How about you start and I'll put some start. This phone's gonna die soon.
Wait, hold on.
This phone's on 9% battery. Alright, I think it's time. Oh. Okay. Okay. Is it time?
No, just keep stirring it. Until it's
You
done.
stir it. Oh. Oh, guys. Guys, you can hear it, and you can hear it. Okay. Alright, is it time now?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
That's enough.
We're doing a DIY.
You're not gonna have enough, by the way.
But we're doing a DIY, and he's doing the work for me because I'm too lazy.
Since you don't have enough, I'm trying to get everything out there.
This is like the best day ever.
Yeah.
We're making
This is
stuff.
the best idea ever.
Best idea, yeah. As we unite.
And this was my idea, by the way.
Well, it's a girl's idea because they bring it out to school. No, I'll do it. Such a pig. Ah.
Don't get on me.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's done. It's good. It's doing it.
doing it.
I'll start now. It's getting stiff.
Yeah, that's a good sign though.
Is it done?
Alright, just gonna bring it to home and play.
Yeah.
Like all the girls do.
Yeah, probably. Han, did they make it? Did they make their own or?
They make their own.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, is it done?
Not yet. We may have to put more starch in. Let me feel it.
Oh. Alright, so how does it feel?
More starch.
More of this stuff?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, yeah, they do a little bit more starch. That's good.
Now keep going.
Really? It's fun right there, if it's good.
It's always about the way it bends. Like, we need to start some more.
Alright, does it need to be like tough, tough?
Yeah, like, look,
Like a bowl
it's not
of milk.
supposed to break like that.
Oh, okay. So,
That's enough. That's enough. We don't want too much starch.
yeah, I'll stir. Ow, my ears, they burn.
Let me
Okay,
see now. Let me see if it's ready.
okay, keep stirring it. Alright.
Check how it bends. Wait, let me see.
Oh no, I think I broke it.
No, you're not. You're fine.
I think I messed it up.
You're fine. I don't think it's supposed to feel like that, but I think you got it. Yeah, you got it, man. Nice job.
Yay!
Let me put some more starch in mine and start some more. Why not?
Oh, mine? Oh, wait, hold on, what the heck?
What?
Oh, jeez. So, it feels like, it's like a marshmallow thingy, but like, you can just like, put it back. It feels like, it's like Play-Doh, or like, what if I add like a little bit of water?
I don't see why not.
Just a little bit. That's good. Alright. Another spoon. Another one. Alright. Oh. Shh. Actually, hear that? Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh, we want to trade?
Why?
Oh, because look.
It's too stiff now. That's what happens when you add a lot of starch.
Let me rinse it off.
It becomes too stiff now. Mine's already too stiff too. Yeah, mine's too stiff.
I'm rinsing mine off.
Go get a hair dryer.
And wait. Is mine good?
I think. Well, let me see.
Oh.
Let me see.
Oh, I think I messed mine up.
I think you did. I don't think we have enough glue.
I'm taking yours.
No! That's mine! Hey!
Hey!
If I had it,
You're not gonna use it.
I am! Why do you think I
No,
did it?
no,
It's fine, I think. Come on.
Alice.
Could be worse. Stop that! It's my slime!
Hey! I'm gonna put it together.
No! You suck.
Yeah.
Can I have, please?
Oh, I got mixed up.
You should take it apart.
Put it together now.
Give it to me.
That's mine!
I made it.
So do I. Oh, mine's so slippery now.
Just give it.
What do you mean? No.
Yes.
No, you have.
Just rip it apart.
You have yours.
But that's not fair.
What do you mean? Okay, show the camera, okay? We both had the same exig. We both had the equal.
Yeah, but you took it from mine.
It was like only like a little piece.
Yeah, no, it's like a big piece. Yeah. Here. Give me my slime.
It's my slime.
It's mine.
No, it's mine. That's your slime. Alright, you know what? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family. And make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And thanks credit to this person. Thanks stranger for helping me. I'll put his link in the description, or I'll put it right there. And watch the other two videos, the last two videos. One that YouTube suggests and one that I picked. So yeah.
What time is it?
It is 5:09. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.